Good evening. It's Steve Davis, WiRE Coaching. Continue to check out our videos. I had one of our subscribers ask a question. Why do people make wholesaling sound so easy? They mentioned that they've been working on trying to wholesale a deal for a year. They ask again, why do people make wholesaling sound so easy and they've been working on a deal for a year? One of the biggest mistakes I made as a wholesaler is trying to sell somebody a property that I think is a good deal or what I would like to have or the areas I think work. Let me tell you, if you got a great deal on a property and it's in a very desirable area and you have tied the property up at the right price, they will fight over it. You put the word out there through realtors, sign in the yard, paper, social media. If it's a good deal in the right area at the right price, people will fight over it. So the biggest mistakes we all make, we look at a property and we want to give our personal opinion on what we think is a good deal, what we think the right price is, and what we think is the most desirable area. No. Go to your aggressive investors. Study them. Find out what it is that they want. What are the areas that's most popular to them, the type of condition and the prices that they are willing to buy or what they have become accustomed to buying. With all that good information, all you need to do is go out and find it. Find it at a little better price. Sometimes I might take a look at 5, 10, 15, 20 houses a week. But it's all about buying or finding a property that's desirable. The right price, condition, and location. It's not that hard once you find that property and you can secure it at the right price. So the biggest mistake I ever made in wholesaling, or one of them, is always giving my personal opinion, thoughts into what works. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't go by what you think. Go by what they're doing. Have a good day.